again, Bear.
Ready?
Count.
1, 2, 3.
Whee!
Okay. Now we're going to do a back bend. Woo! 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to get this girl in gym class. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You just want to go upside down. Okay.
Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh boy, and all the blood's in her head, and she still doesn't want to come upside
No.
down. Look at that. She wants to stay upside down. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you are too funny. Okay.
Hey, let's let the blood go back to your head
Yeah,
first.
let's go this way. 1. She wants to go upside down.
You're silly, Bear.
2, 3. Oh my goodness, let's give Alicia's back around. What? More?
Emma, what is her name? Aunt Lisa.
Yeah.